Yan. Recording in progress. Pabalik natin. Got it. Hirap pala ng keynote. Hindi mo siya maano. Stop share. Stop share. Okay. Wait lang. Ayun. Got it. Sige, let's start from the beginning. Okay, share screen. Ayoko na ng keynote. Gusto ko na PowerPoint. All right. So let's do this again, no? Welcome po ulit sa Supreme Entrepreneurs Club. So as a simple introduction, no? Sino po ba kami? We are a sales and marketing group whose goal is to uplift the lives of people, no? By providing business opportunities and breakthrough A-quality premium products right at your doorsteps. Okay? So, yun po kami. No? And why are we here? Bakit po tayo nasa meeting na ito ngayon? Okay. To tell you about the most advanced stem cell therapy in the market today. The first oral stem cell technology with DNA and anti-inflammatory. So by the way, my name is Mike Yulo. I'm the founder of Supreme Entrepreneurs Club. No? And we're very proud of this product that we are about to share with you. Sobrang ganda, sobrang effective po talaga niya. Right? So, introducing Elixir Placenta. Okay? So, ano po ba itong Elixir Placenta? Pero bago natin sagutin, no, let me answer this question first for you. Alamin muna natin, ano po ba ang stem cells? Kasi sabi sa naunang slide, no, the first oral stem cell technology with DNA and anti-inflammatory. So, the first question I would like to answer first is, what are stem cells? Ano nga ba ito? Okay, stem cells are undifferentiated cells with the capacity to both differentiate and multiply into 200 cell types that form a human being. Okay, so ibig sabihin, no, in layman's term, siya ay cells na wala pang uri. You can't differentiate kung anong klase ng cell pa siya. Kasi may kapasidad siya na maging, no, at dumami, no, into the 200 different types of cell na meron sa katawan natin. Depende sa kung ano ang kailangan ng katawan. Okay? So it says here, it is the reason behind, no, our body's natural ability to heal itself. So matagal na pong alam ng lahat na ang ating katawan, no, ay may kakayahan na pagalingin yung kanyang sarili. Tama ba? Teka lang ha. By the way, malinaw po ba yung aking audio? Malinaw naman, ano? Okay. Yes, yes. All right, very good. Okay. So, it's common knowledge, no? It's common knowledge and general knowledge for everybody na ang ating katawan may sariling kakayahan pagalingin yung sarili niya. Kaya nga pag nasugat, naghihilom. Okay, ano nangyayari, no? Balik tayo dun sa una. Sige, punta tayo sa pangatlo. It turns into any type of cells, no? May it be tissue or organ, no, that are damaged to replace it. So, para mas maintindihan natin, imagine this, nasugat ka, ang nangyayari na damage is skin cells, no, yung flesh and tissue. So, ang gagawin ng stem cell sa katawan, pupunta siya dun sa damaged area. From stem cells na wala pang uri, it will convert or it will turn into skin cells para palitan yung mga nasira. Okay? So pagka nabuo na siya ulit, maghihilom na ng kusa yung ating sugat. Ang galing, ano? So yun yung trabaho niya or yun yung purpose ng stem cells. No? Available siya, nandyan lang siya, para kung sa ano ang kailangan ng katawan to repair and to grow. Yan, di ba? So halimbawa, nabali yung buto. So yung mga stem cells sa katawan natin that are available, pupunta ngayon doon sa nabaling buto, no? So from being a stem cell, wala pang uri, it will become bone cells. Okay, no? So ang ganda. Magiging bone cell siya para palitan yung mga nasirang bone cells. Nakakatawa, pag nabuo siya ulit, mas malakas pa kaysa dati. Mas matibay pa kaysa dati. So ibig sabihin, kung yung available na stem cells sa katawan natin, yun yung pumapalit sa kung ano yung nasisira at nadadamage sa ating katawan. Halimbawa, ang muscle napupunit. So pag napunit siya, then the stem cells will become muscle cells. Right? Para buuin ulit yung nasira at napunit na muscles. Okay? So, yun yung maganda sa kanya. Now, the sad news is, sabi dun sa ilalim, if you're gonna read it, no, that as we get older, the less stem cells we have, by the age of 35, we've lost already 50%. And by the age of 60, we've already lost 90% of the stem cells in our body. So ang natitira na lang, pag 60 above na yung, or pag tungtong mo ng 60 years old, ang natitirang stem cells na lang, no, na available to use for repair and whatsoever is 10% na lang ang natitira. Pag umedad ka na ng 60. Pag mga 35 years old, kalahati na lang yung natitira. Kaya pala, no, it says here, the less stem cells we have, the faster we age, no? Kaya pala tumatanda. No, the slower we heal. Bumabagal ngayon yung paggaling natin. Dati ang bilis natin gumaling pag nasugat, hihilom agad. Ngayon talagang pagka batang-bata nga pag nasugat, pwedeng wala ka nang makitang bakas pag lumaki talaga eh. Ngayon, pahirapan ng gumaling. Okay? Pahina na ng pahina yung katawan kasi ubos na yung stem cell. Dati, hindi pa alam kung ano yung tawag doon, yun pala yun. Kaya pala kayang pagalingin ng ating sariling katawan, yung sarili niya, is because of the stem cells. And that is the reason why, no, mga elitista, Enrile, no? Sino po ba ditong narinig na ang stem cells dahil kay Enrile? No, nagpapa-stem cell therapy, Imelda, ERAP, yan. Okay? So, ano ngayon yung stem cell therapy? Naintindihan na natin ngayon ano yung stem cells. Para saan siya? Ano ngayon yung stem cell therapy? Stem cell therapy, also known as regenerative medicine, promotes the repair response of diseased, dysfunctional, or injured tissue using stem cells or their derivatives. It is the next chapter in organ transplantation and uses in cells instead of donor organs, which are limited in supply. So, pasimplehin po natin, no? Medyo nosebleed. Hindi po ako doktor, by the way, no? Ito po ay from research and from the product trainings that our company provides, no? So, ang nakakatuwa dito, it simply says here na ang stem cell therapy, no, is pinopromote ngayon, no, na magkaroon ka ng mas maraming stem cells sa katawan. Ibinabalik niya ngayon yung naubos na stem cells na pinag-aralan natin kanina, ibabalik niya. Na kesa nga naman magpa-transplant ka na agad, ito ngayon yung pag-asa, may pag-asa bago magpahiwa. Yan, wala po kong kilala, walang gustong magpahiwa. No, magpa-surgery. Kung kinakailangan, kung kaya, natural way, again, our body has its natural ability to heal itself. So pag nasisira-sira, may sira na yung ating mga organs, no? Tuhod, whatsoever, imbis na i-surgery yan, hep, teka lang, wait lang. Daan muna tayo dito. Stem cell therapy muna. Kasi ang papalitan ng stem cell therapy, stem cells muna. No? So cells make up 'di ba? Yun yung organs eh, no? We are all made up of cells. Okay? So kaya nga the biggest organ in our body is our skin. Okay? So kung nire-repair niya yung organs, nare-repair niya yung skin. Kaya po, isa sa pinaka-visible effect ng stem cell therapy, talagang bumabata po yung tao. Itsura, talagang bumabata. Ito po yung talagang literal. Kaya marami po ngayong mga licensed na nag-i-inject ng stem cell para talagang bumata. Hindi lang lumakas, gumaling sa isang malubhang karamdaman, talagang yung vitality bumabalik. Kasi nga, di ba, bumabalik yung stem cell sa katawan. Okay? So, exciting stem cell breakthrough and headlines in the last 20 years. Sabi dito, stem cell. No? Anong sabi? Stem cell therapy isn't the future, it's today. 20 years ago, yung mga tao, sinasabi stem cell is the future. No? Ngayon, ito na yung future na sinasabi 20 years ago. Today na yun. Okay? Nakakatuwa kung titignan nyo po, di ba, sa may upper left corner, before you operate, regenerate. No? Bago, sabi ko nga kanina, hep, wait lang. Bago mo operahan, i-regenerate, try muna natin i-regenerate yung cells para mabuo ulit yung organ, ma-repair ulit yung organ, bago palitan. Baka pwedeng hindi palitan, buuin ulit yung organ through stem cell therapy. Di ba? Before you medicate, regenerate. So may pag-asa pa. So yun nga nakakatuwa dito. That's why I love, no, promoting and selling this product, by the way, is because we're not just selling a product, no? Hindi lang po produkto ang binibenta natin, pag-asa. We're selling hope. Kasi again, like what I said earlier, nobody wants to get under the, alam mo yun, hihiwain na, no, under the blade. Okay? So, some of the conditions stem cell therapy can help. Knee injuries, galing. Arthritis, hip or labral tears, shoulder damage. Kaya yung may mga, ang dami naming mga testimony, frozen shoulder, umokay, chronic back pain, wrist or elbow, no? Ako dito, dahil nag-gym ako, meron sumakit dito na sobrang tagal, hindi nawawala. When I started taking Elixir, nawala. Ang dami ko nang ginawa doon, pahilot, no, warm compress or whatever, hindi nawawala. Okay? Achilles tendon, ankle pain, foot pain, or plantar fasciitis. Patama ba to? And lower back pain. Okay? Featured in magazines and many articles, no, sa Time magazine. Di ba? Sabi, stem cells could save your life. Magandang malaman yun, no? In another book, Stem Cells, The Secret of Immortality. Matindi. Ganong kataas na level yan, mga kapatid. No? A cure for type 1 diabetes. For one man, it seems to have worked. Ganda. No? Oh, dito nakalagay, Doc Stem Cell. Discover how stem cell therapy can eliminate knee, hip, and shoulder pain naturally in only 30 days. Tapos may pahabol sa ilalim, without surgery or medications. Wow. Di ba? Kaya talagang maraming naiintriga. Ano ba itong stem cell na ito? Arthritis, article sa News Daily Express. Arthritis cured by stem cell injection. Okay? So, knee, hip, shoulder pain. No, yung biyanan ko, from one capsule of Elixir, during the day, bigla na lang nag-share sa amin, nawala yung sakit ng tuhod ko, sabi niya. Nung una ho, no, walang buwan pa lang ho namin itong pinopromote itong produkto na to. Nung una, syempre kami, hindi pa ganun ka believe, hindi pa naman namin na-try. But again, we're hearing so much good feedback about the product. Now, when we attend events, no, of the company, nagtataka ako nung una bakit may 1 capsule na libre. Parang sabi ko, ano magagawa ng isang capsule? Why give out 1 free? To my surprise, kaya pala, no? Kaya pala, kasi from 1 capsule, lalo pag may iniinda ka ng masakit, mararamdaman mo talaga yung ginhawa. Sino po gusto makaramdam ng ginhawa? No? Aray away. Yan. Sino? Type me naman sa chat box. Baka may mga nararamdaman ka na dyan sa... no? Type me naman dyan. Sino bang ayaw nun, no? Yan. Good job. Oh, huh? Now, diseases considered incurable now have a solution because of stem cell therapy. Stem cells are the key to living longer and healthier lives, right? And again, don't take my word for it. You can see all the testimonies and feedbacks all over the world. Okay? Sabi ni Cheryl, totoo po talaga, 1 capsule lang, grabe ang effect. That's true. Sobrang totoo yung sinabi ni Cheryl. Okay? So as you can see, no, iba't ibang tao, iba't ibang karamdaman, no, napagaling po ng stem cell therapy. And again, stem cell therapy treats heart diseases, bone degeneration, spinal injury, cancer, Alzheimer's, no, and many more other, liver repair, baldness, skin care. Okay, so I learned, no, survey, the top three mortality causes of mortality here in the Philippines. Nating 200 plus ang namamatay araw-araw. Okay? 200 plus yung top 3, tig to 200 is number 1, stroke. Number 2, heart attack. Magkaiba pala yun. And number 3, cancer. So siya yung top 3 na leading causes ng death, no, here in the Philippines. Tindi. Okay? So the struggle is real, mga kapatid. Hindi pwedeng baliwalain. Okay? Now, next. Saan naman nanggagaling ang mga stem cells? Kung nauubos na sa katawan, no? Ano yung mga sources? No, ang sources ng stem cells sa sarili nating katawan is embryonic, cord blood, and cord tissue, placental tissue, yung inunan. Yan. Bone marrow, peripheral blood, and fat adipose. Yan yung mga sources ng iba't ibang source ng stem cells sa loob ng katawan natin. Okay, ngayon, stem cell therapy is known to treat several illnesses effectively, but unfortunately, the treatment can be costly. Why? No, in Tagalog, effective siya, no? Ang dami ng testimony. Yun nga lang, ang treatment ay napaka mahal. Napakamahal, no? Yung kay Enrile, I believe umabot ng more than 1 million yung 1.2, 1.4, yung 10 shots, if I've heard correctly, no? Meron akong kakilala, licensed talaga po siya na nagtuturok ng stem cell dito sa Pilipinas. One of the 8 licensed. 8 lang sila. Isa siya dun sa 8. Ang singil niya is 650,000. No, yun yung tawag nila is 1 cycle of 10 injections yun. Okay? So, talagang pangmayaman ang usapan dito. Okay? Because, why? No? Ang tanong, bakit ganun kamahal yan? Alright, para po mas maintindihan natin. Because it addresses a bigger issue in our bodies, which is damage. No? While most supplements and treatments, okay, addresses only deficiency. So ano mo pinagkaiba nun, Sir Mike, damage at saka deficiency. Look at it this way para mas maintindihan natin. Yung picture po sa kaliwa, ang pinag-uusapan dyan, ang issue dyan, damage. Yung picture po sa kanan, no, that is a picture of deficiency. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Okay, deficiency, kakulangan. So pag kulang, punan lang ulit. Okay? Pag sinabing damage, repair na ang kailangan. Kung hindi repair, replace. Parts replacement, may nasira na eh. Dito kasi may naubos lang. May kulang lang, may nasira. May kakulangan lang. So, yung gas, fill up mo lang yung sasakyan, aandar na ulit. Pero kahit full tank yan, kung may sirang parte na yung sasakyan, lalo na yung makina, mahirapan na itong, or hindi na ito andar. Nakuha natin? Okay, the question is, ano mas mahal? Gasolina o paggawa? Gasolina o kasa? Yan. No? Kaya nga merong mga preventive maintenance. Preventive. Kasi nga sabi nila, prevention is better than cure. Bakit? Kasi pag hindi mo na-prevent yung sira, ano mangyari? Mas malaki ang gastos. At pag may nasira na, hindi ka naman pwede magreklamo sa gastos. No? Same as pagka may na-ospital, hindi ka pwede magreklamo sa ospital. Ang mahal naman, sige, hayaan nyo nang mamatay. Hindi naman pwede. Wala po tayong choice, kailangan natin isettle yan. Kahit magkano yan. So yun po yung big difference, big gap nung dalawa. No? Yung deficiency nga, no, like halimbawa, vitamins, may mga cheap, free alternative pa nga yan eh. Okay? But when it comes to repair, walang murang repair eh. Baka mapamura ka pagka hindi gumana dahil mura lang. Kaya wag pong papatol sa mura lang, ha? Dahil hindi mo alam. No? Dinoktor-doktor lang, hindi pala inayos talaga. Okay? Next. Good news, no? The good news is we now have Elixir Placenta. Palakpakan naman dyan sa mga brand ambassadors natin, mga believers natin ng product, no? Lalo na sa mga users natin ng Elixir Placenta, no? Maraming heart naman dyan sa comment for this amazing product. Okay? Good news, we now have Elixir Placenta. Okay? So what is Elixir Placenta, mga kapatid? Elixir Placenta is a stem cell therapy in a capsule made from New Zealand deer placenta. Okay? Galing siya sa inunan ng usa sa New Zealand. Bakit daw usa? Kasi yung inunan ng usa ang pinakamalapit sa inunan ng tao. Bakit di daw sa tao? Kasi pag sa tao yung ginamit natin, cannibalism, bawal po yun. Okay? So sa usa. Yan. Tapos, bakit sa New Zealand? Kasi sa New Zealand, malinis ang hangin, ang tubig, ang mga damo, malinis lahat. So best quality yung ating makukuha. Now, combined with the benefits of stem cell therapy, DNA therapy, and anti-inflammatory therapy in one soft gel capsule. So 3-in-1 siya. Yun naman yung angat natin sa ibang brand ng stem cell therapy na oral. 3-in-1 yung sa atin. Okay? So this combination has been proven to be an effective treatment for arthritis, multiple sclerosis, heart attack, acute lymphoblastic leukemia, and other chronic diseases. The anti-aging supplement also promotes cell growth and boosts immunity. Panalo. So 3-in-1 yung benefit. May DNA, may anti-inflammatory, bukod sa stem cell therapy. Kaya talagang sure na sure may mararamdaman kang ginhawa pagdating sa mga pain, no, inflammation, pamamaga sa katawan mo, loob at labas. For sure. Okay? So, magkano ang isang bote? That's the question. one bottle of 60 capsules is 19,500 pesos. Okay? So, why good news? Kasi nga naman, we have a much more affordable version ng injection. Okay? Now, this product is exclusively distributed by GFox International, no? A company founded since 2015 pa by top-tier business professionals, no? They provide simple, effective, and safe FDA-approved products and winner of super brands already. Ang office natin, no, is we have sa main office natin sa Unit 51C sa AIC Burgundy Empire Tower, ADB Avenue, ADB Ave, Corner Garnet Road, Ortigas Center, Pasig. And we have two other branches here in the Philippines. One is in Lucena and one is in Davao. And ang good news niyan, we just recently branched out internationally sa Taiwan. At kung mapapansin niyo, ang unang talagang spearhead ng event doon is also Supreme Entrepreneurs Club. O, di ba? So, sino naman ang owner ng GFox, no? The president and CEO of GFox, sino naman? Si Mr. David Tan. Right? Siya po yung author ng Fox Freedom Plan. That is our compensation plan. I'll discuss that later. No, if you're interested with the opportunity. No, graduated with first class honor on Bachelor of Science in Food Science. Kaya naman expertise niya po yung ating products. Kaya makakasiguro kang talagang effective siya. Okay? Kasi yun talaga yung inaral niya. 18 fruitful years, no, in business, and ang nakakatuwa niyan, recipient siya, no, ng award. Binigyan siya ng award ng Hari ng Malaysia, year 2005, for being the top student at his entire university. So he's an excellent business person, excellent leader in the industry, no, for 18 years. Galing. Okay? So, backed up by the board of directors, no, Taiwanese, Filipino-Chinese, no, and a Filipino. Nag-iisang Filipino, Mr. Boy Manguera, formerly Vice Mayor, owns 17 branches of Mangyasan. Okay? David Cheung and Peter Cheng, owner of Easy Shop TV Shopping, the #1 online TV shopping in Taiwan, owns the largest manufacturing plant of spirulina in Taiwan. O, di ba? So, yung tolling natin is also in Taiwan. That's why garantisado ulit yung quality naman ng product natin. Kasi minamanufacture sa Taiwan. Okay. Wilson Chua, restaurateur, construction firm, brother-in-law of Fred Gokong May. Bruce Chen, former country manager of HCG, no? Kung familiar kayo sa mga sink, toilet bowl, no? HCG yung tatak, yung social na mga toilet bowl and sink, no? Construction firm business also. Philip Ko, chairman of the board, and also a construction firm business owner. So yan po yung ating board of directors. Okay, so makakaasa ka that this is a solid, the foundation of this company is very solid. Okay, so 21st century technology, lahat po from the box sa packaging to ingredients, everything sourced out. Iba't ibang countries kung saan sila pinakamagaling yun. Okay, so selected top raw materials from all over the world to create the best product. Okay? This product has been featured sa Net25 sa ASPN or ano sa palagay nyo ni Alice Soto. Yan. Tapos yung company doctor natin and nurse is also there to discuss at sa kanila ko actually natutunan itong mga dinidiscuss ko sa inyo. Okay? Ayan. So the well thought composition, which also includes some patented ingredients of Elixir Placenta, makes us unique as it combines the three therapies essential to cell regeneration, making it more effective among other. Yung kaya tayo lamang kasi nga 3-in-1 siya and nagtutulungan yung tatlo talaga para mas maging effective yung stem cell therapy mismo. Kaya mas mabilis yung effect niya. No, the fastest na meron po kaming testimony was 30 minutes No, after 30 minutes of taking, nawala yung hilo niya, no, because she's suffering from vertigo. Galing, di ba? Okay, so nakakatuwa. It says here that we have 14 amazing ingredients, again, na nagtutulungan para mas maging effective po yung ating product. Ang nakakatuwa, patented yung ibang ingredients dyan. So, hindi po makukopya yung formulation natin. So, no other company and no other product can copy the effect ng ating Elixir Placenta. No? So, give us some love naman ulit dyan. Punuin nyo naman ng heart, heart, heart yung comment section. No? Sa sobrang ganda ng ating produkto. Okay? What else? Again, to answer, no, stem cell therapy and its benefits. No, again, it regenerates healthy cells. Okay, at pinapalitan niya yung mga affected and damaged and diseased cells. Right? It promotes the repair response of, again, dysfunctional, no, diseased, injured tissue. Talagang marirepair ka, no? Yung mga sira sa katawan mo, nire-repair niya. Right? It replaces cells damaged by chemotherapy. So yung mga nag-undergo naman ng chemotherapy, may kilala kayo, no? Na nag-undergo, mas mataas ang magiging survival rate nila when they take Elixir Placenta while they're going through that chemotherapy nila, no? Increases the oxygen supply capacity to the heart. Okay, so iwas yung mga heart problems natin dyan. Okay, sino ba mga broken-hearted niya? Joke. Matagal pa February, ha? Okay. Yan. So effectively transports the active ingredients of deer placenta directly to the cells. Okay? So, next. Yan. Ano naman ang DNA therapy? No, it inhibits the shortening of depletion of the telomere. Okay. So medyo science na siya. In short, okay, nire-repair niya po yung ating DNA. Ano ba yung DNA? Yung genes natin, no? Yan yung pinapasa natin sa next generation natin. Yung DNA natin. Tama ba? Okay. So, kaya nga pagka tayo ay nagpa-doktor, tinatanong tayo ng doktor, ano yung history, no, ng mga parents natin? Meron ba sa inyo may high blood? Meron ba sa inyo? Kasi nga, the DNA, pinapasa pati yung sakit. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, kung dadaan na sa therapy yung DNA mo ngayon, no, gives you a chance na hindi na ipasa yung sakit na yun sa mga susunod mong generation kasi sa'yo pa lang naayos na. Diba? Galing. Okay? Yan. Kaya marami din po talagang up to even autism. No, marami, may mga testimonies about stem cell therapy. Okay? What else? Ito na, yung pangatlo, anti-inflammatory therapy. So, high in anti-inflammatory properties that reduces inflammation, redness, no, swelling, and pain in the body. So, ginhawa, no? Ginhawa ang kapalit po. Okay? Pag kayo ay bumili ng Elixir Placenta. Hindi lang pagbata, paglakas, ginhawa, sarap, no? So high in antioxidant levels which help to guard against free radicals that cause cell damage and malfunction, okay, resulting in chronic illness. And mahirap pong umepekto yung ating ibang ingredients kapag may namamaga po sa katawan natin. So, magtutulungan talaga yung tatlo na yan. Okay? Plus, the manufacturing process pulido from freeze drying to encapsulation, no, using nitrogen to freeze dry the ingredients kasi live po yung and active yung ingredients natin. Alright? Kaya pati packaging po natin may purpose. Bakit ganyan kaganda? Hindi lang po para maganda siya. Okay? So, ano siya, carbonated yung box natin to protect, no? High quality sealing and packaging used to isolate moisture and maintain the activity of raw materials. Even the bottle, very thick. Ang kapal ng bote. O, tinan nyo po yung, ito po yung takip. No? So, ito yung bote. Ayan. Ang kapal ng bote. And talagang sealed quality seal po talaga siya. Okay? Now, yung iba, 'di ba? Marami ang hindi makapaniwala, may oral na stem cell. Eh 'di ba papatayin yung active ingredients ng acid ng tiyan? So, yun yung rebat ng marami before, not knowing about the technology. So, ang nakakatuwa yung coating niya, kung mapapansin niyo po, no? Maraming layer. So, medyo mataba yung capsule natin na soft gel. Okay? Don't worry because nakakatuwa, this is talagang pinag-isipang technology na to. No? So, antioxidant preservation technology in, okay, so nape-preserve po yung ingredients. Special homogenization technology, inside ulit yan, okay, para ma-maintain ulit. Seamless soft gel technology out, so wala siyang mga kanto. Anti-stick enteric coating out, so hindi siya didikit sa tiyan mo, sa walls ng stomach mo, hindi. Okay, talagang didiretso siya saan? Sa small intestine. Doon siya mahuhubaran para diretso absorb, no? So, nitrogen injection live capsule out. Oh, di ba? Panalo. So, this will maintain the activity of ingredients, improve the absorption of the body. Okay? And again, exclusive nitrogen injection technology and parafilm. No, yun nandito sa ibabaw kanina, no, to isolate oxygen, moisture, and maintain the activity of raw material. So, binabalik po namin sa bote, even sa box, binabalik namin to maintain the activity of the raw material. All right? And of course, FDA approved and halal approved yung produkto natin. So, once again, please give us some love for this wonderful product. Okay? Heart naman tayo dyan sa comment section ulit. Ngayon, kung meron kang kilala, hindi man ikaw, no, mahal sa buhay, kakilala, na meron ng iniindang malubhang karamdaman. Or, hindi man malubha, pero may sakit na gustong pagalingin, then we recommend to you the 6 months therapy program. Okay? Ito po ay pwede nyo i-screenshot so you can follow the dosage, no? Okay, so kung mapapansin nyo po, no, first week once a day, second week 2 capsules a day, third to fourth week 3 capsules, second month 4 capsules a day, third to 6 month balik sa 2 capsules a day, and then on the 7 month onwards pwede ng 1 capsule. So from first week to the 6th month, uubos ka po dyan ng mga 6.5, 6.5 bote ng Elixir Placenta. Okay? Inumpute na namin para sa inyo para hindi na mahirapan. Okay? So yan po yung 6 months therapy. And marami na po ang nabigyan ng kaginhawaan. Yan. And may mga bumibili sa atin, alam naman na nila talaga na they're not even expecting na nagumaling. Gusto lang nila humaba pa yung buhay ng mahal nila sa buhay. Sino bang ayaw? Okay? So that's why they bought the Elixir Placenta. Magandang product, mga kapatid. Type naman kayo ng inyong sagot. Kung maganda, type 1. Yan, para hindi kayo mahirapan mag-type. Super ganda. Maganga, sabi niya. Coach Carlo. Maganga daw. Ang gutom ka dyan, Coach Carlo, ah. Okay? All right. Recommended by doctors. Right? Yan. Sobrang ganda ni Dr. Drola Sanchez. O, di ba? Okay. Isang sikat na dermatologist, aesthetic dermatologist, anti-aging medicine, no? Occupational dermatological surgeon, okay? And TikTok influencer. Also promotes this product, bought this product from us also. Bakit? Kasi, again, highly recommended. Isa siya sa, sinasabi ko kaninang 8 licensed nagtuturok ng stem cell. And ito ay kanyang piniprescribe sa kanyang mga patients, no, who want to maintain. Yan, kaysa puro turok-turok. Okay? So again, as you can see, paralysis, autism, HIV, psoriasis, autoimmune disease, post-operative, yung mga galing opera, mas makaka-recover ng mas mabilis, diabetes, no, hypertension, cancer, chronic diseases, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, impotence. No? Marami pong ingredients ang elixir na meron din si Viagra. No? Fenugreek. Ayan, meron po sa Viagra yung fenugreek eh. So, so kaya nga naman, no? Nakakasiglat, nakakagana. Marami din pong testimony dyan. And then stroke. Okay? And of course, this is for damage. And marami sa atin, no, araw-araw na damage yung ating katawan because of pollution, the junk food that we eat every day, tama? And of course, kung ano-ano dumadapong mga sakit sa atin. So the damage is real, no? Hindi maiwasan, madadamage at madadamage. But still, it helps if we have preventive maintenance. Okay, so we have other products for prevention, no? So, yan, we have spirulina, no? So these products naman are very low price naman ito. No, mura, in short, mura naman tong mga to. No, spirulina, kung hindi po mahilig maggulay ang mga anak, ito po ang gamitin. Kayo mismo hindi kayo mahilig maggulay, uminom po nito, no? Para ma-lessen yung damage. Okay. And we have other wellness products here. We have spirulina for men, spirulina for women, CoreQ10, no, from omega-3 from krill oil for the heart, Ganoderma, the king of mushrooms, is Gano, no, and then Easy Gout. Ano natin para sa yon? We also have the weight management products, no, Slim C, the vitamin C with weight loss. May tulong sa weight loss or weight management kasi nakaka-suppress ng appetite yung isa niyang ingredient, no? Garcinia cambogia. And there is also Amfit coffee and milk tea. Same with Garcinia po siya. Kaya hindi lang siya masarap as a coffee and as milk tea. And favorite ko nga pala yung milk tea, napakasarap. Pero milk tea na hindi nakakataba pag uminom ka ng uminom. Nakakaliit ng tiyan pag uminom ka ng uminom. No? And makakatulong palalo the Algae Cleanse Go Plus to cleanse your colon. Yan. And of course, we also have skincare products. We have the MyJeju Rejuvenating Set. We have the Lumina Advance, no? Ito ay merong collagen and glutathione at the same time. Meron tayong Kojic Papaya Soap. We have OmniFresh Antibacterial Soap, no? And I think there's also cream here, no? And the Juventa Shiro Collagen Vitamin C, no? Collagen C. Yan. So, para siyang berokay, tinutunaw sa tubig. Okay? So, those are our other products, no, that you can avail at 50 off, up to 50 off, if you get the Elixir Placenta. So, let's move to our opportunity. Yan. Pagdating naman sa opportunity natin, mga kapatid, simple lang. Okay? When you buy one bottle, that's 19.5, right? Good news. Di ba, when you want to go for the 6 months therapy, uubos ka ng 7 bote kasi 6 at kalahati yung iyong mauubos for the 6 months therapy. Ang good news ko sa inyo, pag kumuha kayo ng 7 bote, promo, may libreng 2. Diba? So, ibig sabihin, ang binayaran mo lang ay 7, pero ang inuwi mo ay 9. Or ang ipapadala sa'yo ay 9. Okay? So, 136.5 lang yung binayaran mo. That's the price of 7 bottles. But you get 2 bottles for free. That's almost 40,000. No? Teka lang. Papalit tayo ng AirPods.
Okay. Kamusta po yung aking audio? Okay ba? Nagpalit ako ng AirPods. Ay. Okay ba yung audio ko?
Okay naman, okay naman. Yes, all right, good. Sige. So, ang maganda dito, no, when you get 7, you get 2 plus 2 free. Ibig sabihin, the product return is 129%. Ang good news, meron ulit promo, additional promo for the first 500 sets. Okay, for this month, the first 500 only. So unahan po ito. May libreng 35 bottles ng Slim C. No, yung vitamin C na merong Garcinia na to suppress appetite, nakakaliit ng tiyan. Yun po yung ating libreng product. 35 bottles nun. Then I think that's around 20 plus thousand pesos worth kasi ang isang bote nun, ang selling price ay 760. Okay, so kayo na po mag-compute 760 times 35, that's the worth of the product. Free, bukod sa dalawang bote pa ng elixir. No? So first 500 po, nakukuha ng set na ito, meron pong libreng dalawa and 35 bottles ng Slim C. And you get 50% lifetime off on the products, the other products that I discussed when you get this 7 plus 2 promo. Okay? And you also automatically rank up to 1-star diamond. Kasi may ranking tayo dito, no? Ako po ay 3-star diamond na, going to 4-star diamond. So, ang pinakamataas is 5-star diamond rank. Ako po ay nasa 3-star na. Pag bumili kayo ng Pitomatic, 1-star na kayo agad. Wala pa kayong benta. Wala pa kayong benta, 1-star diamond na kayo. Ang good news niyan, may income na rin kayo. Hindi pa kayo nakakabenta, may income na kayo na 9,000 pesos. Papasok po sa account niyo sa ating kumpanya, sa GFox International. Okay? Good news or good news, no? Tapos, no, if you promote this set, the 7 plus 2 promo, pag nakabenta ka po ng 7 plus 2 promo, kaya po ginawa nating diamond yung package kasi nga, di ba, automatic 1-star diamond ka. So when you sell the 7 plus 2 promo, meron po kayong 8,400 commission as a personal sale. Alright? So nakakatuwa po dito, may tinatawag tayong group sales bonus. So kitaan na po yung pag-uusapan natin if ever you're interested to also sell the product, sell elixir. No, makapapansin nyo po dito, group sales bonus siya, hindi siya direct personal sales bonus. Bakit? Kasi hindi lang sarili mong benta ang kukomisyonan ng kumpanya para sa'yo. Pati benta nung nabentahan mo, nung nabentahan mo, meron ka up to the 6th level. So may rebate ka lumalabas hanggang 6th level. Okay? So just understand simply, no? Ang pinakasimple dito is yung lahat ng mabebentahan mo personally, sila yung first level mo. So kung nakabenta ka sa 10 tao, meron kang 10 tao sa first level mo. So, ibig sabihin, kung may 8-4 ka, kada isang set ng 7 plus 2, nakabenta ka sa 10 tao, then meron kang 84,000 pesos. Ganun kasimple. Now, the question is, what if yung 10 tao na yun nagbenta rin? Nag-refer din ng iba, no? Nakabenta din sa mga amiga nila, no? So, syempre, pag may pambili sila, yung mga kakilala nila, meron din yan. Marami din yan kakilala na may pambili. So, may nabentahan din sila. Lahat ng mabebentahan ng first level mo is your second level. So under mo pa din, but at your second level na. Ang good news, meron ka pa rin income sa benta nila, which is per set ng promo, 3,360. Okay? Tapos, sa third, fourth, fifth, sixth, meron pa din. So ibig sabihin, simple, para pasimplihin, yung mabebenta ng mga nasa second level mo, sila yung nasa third level. Yung mabebentahan ng third level mo, sila yung mga nasa fourth level. Yan. Ang maganda dyan, mamomonitor mo yan sa iyong personal dashboard. Okay, makikita mo yan, yung income mo per level. Ang galing, ano? Okay? So, ibig sabihin, kahit kaila-ilalima na, up to si kakilala ng ilan yan, kakilala mo, kakilala ng kakilala mo, kakilala ng kakilala ng kakilala ng kakilala ng kakilala mo, meron kang income. Okay? Yun ang good news. Ngayon, pwede niyong isipin, baka naman kailangan ng sobrang daming mabenta para kumita dito ng maganda-ganda. Hindi. Kasi meron pang, bukod dyan, meron pang daily team sales bonus. Ito po yung sinimulan ng ating team, no, Supreme, para mas mabilis po kayong kumita ng mas maganda. Sino po gustong kumita ng mas mabilis at mas malaki? Type me in the chat box right now. Okay? Sinong gustong kumita ng mas mabilis, mas malaki? Alright. Simple lang po yung game plan natin. Hanap ka lang ng 4. Di mo kailangan ng 10, 100, 4. No? Let's say sa 100 mong kakilala, merong 20 na kailangan yung product at may kapasidad bumili. No? Yung 7 plus 2 promo natin. 20 lang, 20. Then out of the 20, no, ang good news po, no, hindi po ito yung regular na ahente ka. Hindi po. Maganda dito, because of the Supreme Business System, tulungan namin kayo. Kaya may nakalagay dyan, help. No, we will help you sell to your client. Hindi kailangan ikaw ang magaling sa sales, ikaw magaling magsalita, no? We can help you sell to your client. Just, no, set up the appointment, no, with our brand ambassadors, coaches and mentors here in Supreme. Then we will help you sell to your client. Okay? Or to your friend. Yan. To your amiga, to your kumare, we can help you talk to them. So, hindi kailangan ikaw yung mag-explain kung hindi mo pa kabisado si Elixir Placenta at yung stem cell therapy. Andito po kami. Ang good news yan, out of the 20 na pinakausap ninyong may kaya, yung 4 bumili. Magkano kikitain mo? Meron kang income na tig 8.4, so times 4, 33.6. Ang good news, merong another income, the daily team sales bonus, na bibigyan ka naman ng 43,200 pesos. Okay? So, 33.6 plus 42, 43.2, ang total income is 76,800 pesos. Okay? Yun po yung inyong kinita sa 4 lang na set na hindi pa kayo ang nagbenta or nag-sales talk, nag-explain. Okay? Tapos yung 4 na yun, na bumili sa inyo, yun din pong offer natin sa kanila. Okay? Hanap lang din sila, no? Nung nangangailangan ng product na ito at kayang bumili ng therapy na to, no? Kaysa magpa-injection, abutin ng 1,000,000, isang set 136.5 lang. Alam niyo ba yung isang set dahil dun sa libreng 2, hanggang 1 year pong pwedeng i-maintain. Yung 6 months therapy, uubos ng 6 kalahating bote. Yung 2 kalahati at once a day, mapupuno mo yung 1 year. O, di ba? Panalo. Okay? So, yun po yung kagandahan ng 7 plus 2. It was designed that way. Alright? So, pag yung 4 nakabenta ng tiga-4 din, then may 16 ka sa second level. Ang good news, ang kita mo from the first bonus, which is 53,760, madadagdagan ng 245,000 from daily team sales bonus, which is 299,000 total. Eh yung 16, no, gusto din magbenta, mag-refer ng mga kakilala nila, no, na kailangan din yung stem cell therapy. Ano mangyayari? Yung 16, nakabentang tiga-4, kasi yun lang yung strategy natin, 4x4, 64 ang magiging third level. No? So sa group sales bonus, kung kukumputin nyo based doon sa unang slide natin, 161,280 on the third level sa group sales bonus, pero papasok naman yung daily team sales, which is mas malaki, 1,071,000. So for a total of 1.2 million on the third level income nyo sa third level. O, di ba? So mas masaya po yung daily team sales bonus kaya hatiin nyo po yung benta nyo sa apat. Huwag nyo pong pagsamasamahin sa isang team. Ayan. So mas maintindihan nyo po yan in the future, no? Again, i-guide namin kayo kung paano. So sa 3 levels pa lang, di ba hanggang 6 level, may kita kayo sa group sales bonus. Sa 3 levels pa lang na computation, abot na po ng 1.5 million pesos yung inyong total income. And that is what I've experienced, no? At ngayon po, 8 months, ang kinita na po namin ng wife ko is nasa 3 million na po. In just 8 months. Pwede. No? Maganda po ang komisyon sa produkto na to. Maganda po magpa-komisyon si GFox. Kaya sulit ang trabaho, sulit ang pagod, no? Sulit ang pasyal sa iba't ibang lugar para i-promote ang product na ito. Okay? Nakaka-3 million na po kami. At marami po sa team natin, no, ang kumikita ng maganda dahil sa produkto na ito. So, kaysa nga naman mag-promote ng iba't ibang product na yung iba dyan, hindi naman maganda sa kalusugan, no, i-promote na lang po natin si Elixir Placenta. Alright? And ang good news, para doon sa may kakayahan, no, kaysa nga naman yung unang 4, ibang tao, kung kaya mo naman, edi yung 4, pamilya mo na din. No? Mag-stock ka na ng Elixir Placenta for the whole family. You can also sell. No? May stocks ka on hand. So we call this the family pack. Okay, so this family pack is, again, instead na yung unang 4 ibang tao, family members mo, si nanay, si tatay, 2 anak. Ayan. O, asan yung asawa? Hindi mo sinama yung asawa mo. No? So, pwede naman 5, di ba? Ay, pwede man, yeah. So this is 5, ikaw, tapos yung unang 4, family members. So kung 136.5 ang isang set, bumili ka ng 5 set, ano mangyayari? That would be a total cash out of 682,500 pesos. No? And ang good news niyan, kung bibilangin mo ko ilang placenta lahat yun, 45. So lumalabas kasi 9 bottles per set kasi 7 plus 2. So 45. So pag binilang niyo po 19.5 times 45, 897,500. That's 897,500, almost 900,000 worth of Elixir Placenta. Okay? For the cash out of 682,000. So up na agad yung inyong pera, no, not just your health. You know? Oo. Tumubo na agad yung pera nyo, hindi lang yung kalusugan ninyo from getting this pack, no? Ang good news, di ba? Naalala nyo yung kanina? Pag nakakuha kang 4, may 76.8 ka. So, may 76.8 ka. Tapos, di ba, pagka kumuha ka nung set, 7 plus 2, may income ka kaagad na 9,000. So, kada set, may tig na 9,000. So, magkano lahat yan? Plus yung sa'yo, 76.8 plus tig na 9,000 ang nasa ilalim, 112,800. So yung product, 897,000 worth, yung income, 112,800, wala pa kayong benta sa iba, no, sa family pa lang yan. Ang total returns is 1,010,550. Ang nilabas lang is 682,500. Tubo ka na po ng 328,050. So, gaganda na ang kalusugan, tumubo pa ng maganda, wala pang benta yan. Okay? Sariling pamilya nyo pa lang yan. Okay? So, yun lang po. Yan, malinaw naman, di ba? Be part of our growing team now. Alright. So, done na po ang ating Elixir Placenta Premium presentation. So, again, no, napakagandang product. Talk to the person who invited you, sent you this link para po ma-finalize niyo po, because we can buy this product using cash. You can buy this product using your credit card. no? You can have it in staggered payment, no? May mga installment plans po yung mga cards, no? You can actually call your bank and have what you call deferred payment para mas magaan yung bayaran. Okay? Now, ang akin lang naman doon, we're just sharing, no? This amazing product, and maganda, good news lang, meron siyang kasamang opportunity. Alright? Bonus na po yung opportunity because the best investment pa din is your health. Okay? The best investment pa din is your health. So, that's it. Maraming salamat po sa pakikinig. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa presentation natin. It was only an hour, konting lagpas lang sa isang oras. Kasi I think we started around 8:30 na rin naman. Tama ba? So, sana nag-enjoy po kayo. Yun lang po. No? At kung may mga tanong pa po kayo regarding Elixir Stem Cell Placenta, Elixir Placenta Stem Cell Therapy, no? Magtanong po sa ating mga brand ambassadors na nag-invite sa inyo sa ating Zoom webinar today. So we'll be having another one on Wednesday. We'll also every Wednesday and Friday po meron tayong Zoom webinar about Elixir Placenta. Okay? So sana po makatulong itong presentation sa inyong lahat, and kung ano man po ang pinagdadaanan, karamdaman, no, iniindang karamdaman, I hope and pray that matulungan po kayo ng produkto nitong mapagaling. Kung kayo naman po ay nangangarap, no, na kumita ng mas maganda, then no, you have options naman eh. You can sell real estate, you can sell insurance, or you can sell Elixir Placenta. Okay? So yun po yun. Aming invitation sa inyo. Be one of our brand ambassadors. Earn big. No? Napakagandang product. When you're talking to the person who needs this product, no? When you're talking to the right market, to the right people, napakabilis lang po kumita with Elixir kasi marami pong matutulungan, maraming testimonies, no? So yun po, maraming salamat ulit. Di ko na po patatagalin. Have a great night ahead. God bless you all. And of course, to God be all the glory. Maraming salamat po. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Mentor.
You're welcome.
Mentor.